Hey guys, it's me and I'm here with my sister Lily. We're not technically blood related, we're basically just like so much friends with it. So we're going to be making fluffy slime with the new recipe of, well, we've already made one. Look at this.
It's so good. Look.
Oh, that just ripped because I poured it too much.
So it's stretchy and it's rippy.
So that if you want to like pull it apart, then you can.
Yeah.
You don't need to stretch it.
Can I just say, be careful when putting the paint in there.
You can, or you don't have to put paint in it, but you know. First ingredient you will need glue. We have our bowls. We have our glue.
So just pop however much you want to make. Obviously,
don't put too much because you might want to add some more.
Yeah, the shaving cream. I'm sorry. The shaving cream will bulk it up a bit. So.
Yeah, make it a bit fluffy. That's enough. That's the same.
Let's do that.
And then you have some shaving foam.
We like to use the Gillette one, but you know.
Gillette one's the best.
Yeah,
it's like in the world. You know. You mix it up. You see, it's like foamy. Okay. Then you want to get some baking soda. You don't want to get too much.
So like maybe a pinch, a little, maybe 1 or 2 pinches,
but not much.
Yeah.
It's got to be baking soda. Like it can be bicarbonate of soda. Basically, yeah, baking soda. Then you have contact lens solution that doesn't have boric acid in it because we're using an extra ingredient. This just helps the baking soda dissolve, so it's not all like clumpy. Yeah, clumpy. So you just add a bit of that. Mix it. So you don't. It's not like gritty or anything.
So nothing will really happen.
You just make sure that it's not gritty, like horrible. Then you have the airwick. We'll put it in a bowl.
You can't stir it straight on there, but we prefer to do it like this.
Pardon?
We prefer to do it like this, so you actually know.
Yeah. You can see it start to come together. What?
If you
want,
my way.
if you don't want yours to be small, then you can add more glue and shaving foam.
Yeah, basically just add more.
Yeah. Used all of it.
So it should start pulling away from the sides, but you will have to keep quite a bit of air with it because you know it's not very constant.
This is what mine looks like so far.
It's like,
if you want, you can start going in with your hands and start adding more airwick.
yeah.
But I'm going to keep on adding
your slime, and you can hold it. You can dip your slime in the bowl.
Yeah. What do you do? You just get it everywhere again. You might want to do this like somewhere where you're not going to make a mess. So
Yeah, do it outside because this is very strong. Because it's just very.
It's a strong scent, so you don't want your whole house to smell of something that your parents don't like, or your siblings don't like, or something, or your pet hates.
Yeah. Like I did it inside, and I had to move outside before when I did it back at my place.
It's not that nice because your pets kind of choke on it, and it's not that nice. So you better do it outside. And please don't sue us. Parents. I don't want to get sued by some parents because we're letting children have airwick inside the house with animals.
We're not. We're telling them to bring it outside. Even if you don't have animals, to bring it outside.
Also, kids don't take drugs.
Huh?
Also, kids don't take drugs.
Yeah. Right. Even when you think it is activated, it might still stick to you, and even if it doesn't, probably add a bit more just to make sure. This doesn't really overactivate that much, but really it will just.
You don't want to have too much baking soda.
Yeah. So if you think you have overactivated it and it's gone like that, you haven't. It will go back to its normal self.
Right, I'm going to take mine out of the bowl. It's a bit sticky. nice.
Yeah, I don't really like getting all over my hands, so you know. Sorry about that.
Little Miss Fussy Pants over here.
She's yeah.
I think she went under the fence or inside. Oh, she's
I see she went inside, yeah.
we're talking about Ava, my kitten.
Oh!
Just turned 1. Yay!
So cute.
And my other cat in July just turned 3. Yeah. And I got them a big box of treats.
So you can see a big box of chocolate, and I was like, you need to mix it around like that
if you think when you poke it and it goes in too much, then you've put too much shaving foam and you want to put a bit more glue in.
Yeah, you need them to be roughly even.
Yeah. So it's not too foamy that when you poke it, it like, goes through. I'm sure you guys will understand. This one? This is her second time making it with this recipe.
I had one very similar, but
yeah.
it was different. This one is
Wait, is that the one where we bought that glue in that tube?
Yeah.
That I've still got that glue.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, better not tell Jay that.
It doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but you do have just got to be patient with this because it does take a while to get right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've only stopped this once for about 10 seconds.
Hey, get away.
Little flare. You can't have my slime. Okay.
Also, you can add the paint now, like we are, or you can add it at the beginning to your glue, so you just have coloured glue.
Yeah. And then you have coloured shaving foam and glue. And then
yeah. We like doing it at the end, so we know that it actually works, so we're not wasting any.
So that because if you put it in with the glue, then you get like a nice green. Then you put in some shaving foam, it makes it lighter.
Yeah.
And then,
so when you're doing it like this,
yeah,
you know.
you know what colour you have. So are you having pink again, or do you want purple? Or
Can I go for purple?
yes.
Where is it?
Sorry, I'll get it. Stay here. Okay, so
Wait,
we've got our paint.
I want to do blue, sorry.
With the blue with me. So we're both doing blue. She did say she's gonna do purple, and she bailed.
Fine, I'll do purple.
You can do blue.
Yeah, I'll do blue. Just remember, yeah, like the paint will be muted, so this is a kind of red. And I'll do a pink, so just remember that.
Gotta make sure that your slime's perfect, or at least a tiny bit perfect before you add the paint. This can be, we've got metallic paint,
Yeah.
so it gives it a bit of a shine.
Acrylic paint probably works best, or washable paint.
Or you can also use food colouring, but it makes it a bit wet. It makes it like less fluffy because it's a bit wet, isn't it?
Can I know if you're ever going to make an edible slime, make sure you use food colouring and don't use paint.
Yes.
A lot of people make that mistake.
I don't. I just use brown. Chocolate. Oh, look at this lovely blue.
And then there's me.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine, it will work out.
Right, now I'm just going to add the rest of it that was in the bowl. So we don't waste anything. She already has it. She used that bowl.
I make it clean.
Okay.
My nails are shimmery.
Shimmery. No, I'm not offering it to you. What? Did you get it in your... Oh, what? You just got paint in
Yeah,
your
because
nails.
I have very long nails, okay?
No, I don't, sorry. Oh, they've got shiny! Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, right. Little air wick. Okay, right. Very proud of this one.
Same.
Now you can just poke it and play with it. It kind of like, when you poke it, look, it makes it darker. Look, you've got a darker bit inside.
That's a shadow.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's because of the paint
No, it isn't.
that we
Look.
have. No, it's not. It's
Look
because of
at-
the paint we have.
No, it isn't.
Yeah,
Look
it
at
is.
this. Right, poke it. It's obviously darker.
Yeah, but that's how it is. It said it on the when we bought it. Oh my god.
What did it say when you bought it?
It said,
Darker when you poke a hole in the
no.
paint.
It says, goes darker.
You want that included?
No, it says goes darker or something. I don't know. My mum bought it. Yeah, but yeah, it goes a bit darker because of my paint, but shut up. It goes darker because of the paint, but you know.
But yeah, just remember that does need to unlock because we used blue because I wanted a baby blue. And I used red because I wanted a baby pink.
But they turned a bit brighter than that.
Yeah, but I don't really mind because, like, you know.
Look at mine. I look awesome.
Your one looks so good.
I know.
Who has more?
Alright, put yours in like a circle kind of thing.
How do you make so much?
No!
No! Pick it out.
Dropped it. She dropped her pink one, now I just dropped my blue one. Drop yours. This table's glass, you know. It'll be like 2:30 or something, I'm not sure. 1.
So your mum will finish
But-
work in 10 minutes.
But Demi was coming round at 2.
Well, she's early. She's early.
What time did you say Mum was coming back?
Your mum?
Yeah.
She finishes work at...
1:30, but she gets here at 2.
My
Maybe
mum's coming to pick me
1:30.
up at 7, by the way. Is that okay? Or is that too late? Oh, sorry. I would try for a
Wait,
sleepover,
did-
but I'm too busy tomorrow.
Wait, did my mum say it's okay about 7?
Yeah, I
Right,
think
okay,
so.
okay.
I'll talk to her anyway, and my mum's fine, like, you know. Bye, guys!
Bye! Subscribe, like, and put some more challenges down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.